Dear friends, all human beings are born great, and the greatness is blessed with in the power of our mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve. But who has to enlighten such mind? There has to be a guide, an alliance partner, or you can say guru, who can really let you know exactly what is the true path, the path leading to peace, joy, happiness and success, and to the absolute tranquility and serenity, truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation. Beloved friends, in that context, in India there was a great saint, philosopher, thinker, philanthropist, one of the most enlightened person, equivalent to any greatest who really graced the planet Earth, Plato, Aristotle, Socrates, Buddha, Jesus. He was called Sant Kabir. So he's telling, if you want to be enlightened, either you become Buddha, self-illumination of your intelligence. By meditation and contemplation you can really know the truth. But if you are so fortunate you get a ready-made great such enlightening person like Buddha himself or Kabir Das, you can really become great. So he's telling, if God is there and you have got the perception and the vision of God through the enlightening influence of your guru and guide and teacher, whom you are going to first revere, respect and bow to, Sant Kabir is telling, full credit goes to the guide or guru or teacher or the alliance partner who really illuminated your path, leading you from darkness to light, from mortality to immortality, from ignorance, indulgence to spiritual insight. You must really give full credit to your teacher, to your guru and guide. And nothing can be better than that. So I really inspire you to listen this and enjoy this and practice in life to get some wonderful person. I am one such person who can really help you to the best of my knowledge and ability to become enlightened and happy in life. Guru Gobind do khare kaake lago paay, pyari Guru aapne Gobind diyo bataya, Gobind diyo bataya. वाणी बोलिए मन का पाखो, ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का पाखो, और उनको शीतल करे आप शीतल हो, You should speak in such a nice way, respectfully, with lot of love and affection, that you are happy and others are happy. These are called in this poem you are listening. If you have so much everything and you are useless, non-productive, selfish and greedy, then you are just like a palm tree, tall but meaningless and useless. That's why we should be very much effective in serving the mankind. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, viewers. Enjoy a beautiful life, full of serenity, calmness, love and affection, enlightenment and wisdom. And for this you have to see. And if somebody criticizes you, don't mind. If you can keep your head, when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all may doubt you, but not allow it your doubting too, that is very important. Purify yourself. Thank you, viewers. This is Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, loving you and caring for you. Thank you.